Hi folks and welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to roll up basically a Chelsea bun, Belgian bun, anything that's going to be rolled up, especially with a filling, because usually that is the most difficultest. So to start with, the most important part is when you're rolling out your dough, it wants to be around about 5 millimeters thick. That's essentially the start. And also the same with the dough, you need to be rolling out. Depending on what you're making, a Chelsea bun needs to be thinner and longer. Now a cinnamon bun wants to be wider than longer, and that's the same with snail buns and that type of product. So we'll move straight on to rolling up. Basically this is a cinnamon bun, and if you've seen this full video you've seen it all the way through. Now this is just a snippet from it. I'm not going to show you a snippet of the Chelsea bun because it's exactly the same but with a different filling. First, it's best if you fold the edges over first. This is probably the most important part. Once you've got the edge, you're almost starting to roll it. And it's just a straightforward push, pull all the way through. And that's all we do. The important thing is if you start at one end, then go to the other end, or exactly the same as I'm doing here. And then you finish off in the middle. So you do the two ends first, and then you go straight to the center. And at the same time, it's getting that nice and tight. And it's important to have a tight roll. This is the whole point of a Chelsea bun, Belgian bun, cinnamon bun. It needs to be really, really tight. And that's it. It's that simple, folks. And from there onwards, you can take whatever size you want. And it's normal to put a wash over the top of it as well. And there we go, folks. I hope you've learned something from this. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!